This is the first start of the truck for 2007 on April 1st.
Nope. Looks like it's shutting off, eh? Ah, you're on YouTube, you fuck.
Sounds like something's rubbing under the hood.
This is what happens when you let Dave work on your truck. That's wonderful. Here he is now. Here's Eugene.
First drive. Passengers. Somebody on that tree. A little pond to play in. Pardon?
That's the pond you're going through?
Well, I gotta go through. It's pretty deep, you know.
Is it?
I gotta go through it first, make sure the truck's working right before I hit the mud hole out in the gravel pit.
You want me to film you on the other side coming through?